Well, hi everybody, Mindy here. Today is Sunday, it's March 12th, 2023. And as you guys know, on Friday there was a fairly significant bank in California that went belly up. And that contagion is expected to spread to other banks literally all over the world, not just here in the United States. This really could be the beginning of something really big and bad for not just the U.S. economy, but the world economy. We could be into another situation like what we had in the meltdown of 2008. But just a little while ago, I started finding articles that where the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, which I'm no fan of Janet Yellen, but she is saying that there will be no bailout for the SVB bank. Okay, now I personally don't think that banks should get bailed out, but that's just my opinion. But the thing is, a lot of the big billionaires and the people that own banks and hedge funds and things like that have really been lobbying to get the federal government in the United States to bail out this SVB bank in the hopes of stopping some contagion from going on through other banks. And if Yellen is saying that there will be no bailout for SVB, then that means they're not going to be bailing out other banks either, the way that they did in 2008. And so what this means for the Forex market, that's all I care about. The Forex market could be extremely volatile for the next few days at least, and maybe longer. What it should mean is that what we should expect to see anyway is strength in the JPY pairs and the CHF pairs, because typically when there's chaos going on in the world, typically what we see is people moving their money into JPY, the Japanese yen, okay, and the Swiss franc, because those are the two currencies that traditionally have been the flight to safety currencies that people move into when there is chaos in the world. So we could see huge moves going JPY positive and CHF positive over the course of the next few days. So if you're using the Magic EA, send me an email. I will send you an email back telling you how to structure your settings in the Magic EA, okay, to protect against, these what could potentially be gigantic moves in the market. And other than that, good luck everybody. Could possibly be a wild and crazy day to start the Forex market today and continuing through the next few days. Now, what you got to remember with Forex is anything can happen on any given day, okay? And a lot of times, big, gigantic moves in the market come out of nowhere, right? But when we have a heads up like this, with Yellen saying no bailout, what that means is that we need to be particularly on guard for gigantic moves, okay? Maybe that won't happen. You never know with Forex how people are going to react. But there's a strong likelihood that we will see some crazy volatility. So I want you to be prepared. Okay, that's all I got to say. Good luck, everybody. Talk to you next Friday.